It is well established that Ndi Igbo were in Ile-Ife long before the Yorubas arrived there. Established. And the authorities that I'm quoting are more Yoruba than anybody else. Ndi Igbo were there and dominated Ile-Ife. Today, there's still a village in Ile-Ife, which is the remnants of the Igbos who didn't migrate away. Because the story was that Ndi Igbo were there, dominated Ile-Ife, okay, until the Yorubas came. Then, by cordial relationships and all of that, okay, there was a vote on who to succeed, or and so on. Ndi Igbo were claiming it's their rights, the Yorubas and so on, and Ndi Igbo started attacking the Yoruba elements. When they used masquerades to attack them. Yorubas thought they were spirits. We were afraid until Moremi offered herself as a slave woman to the Igbo group. And they presented her to the king of Ndi Igbo. That's how she found the secret. Now more Abro spirit, and gave the story back to their people. And they defeated Ndi Igbo. Then migration coming back. That is the significance of Moremi in Yoruba history. That's why they call her their heroine, because she saved them and then dominated the whole place. Today, in Ile Odua, which is the palace of the Oni of Ife, the ancient throne of the Igbo king is still there, and it's part of their ceremonies. And they have an annual ceremony which they call the AD ceremony, which marks the defeat of Ndi Igbo and their return home. It's an annual ceremony. There's a scholarly article on that. I'm not talking about them. These are all references that I'm quoting. And of course, Reverend Samuel Johnson, The History of Yoruba People, it's a big volume. Eluwa, Onyibo. Aremu, Ijesakin, and Ademiluya are Yorubas. They wrote this scholarly article on the annual festival. Professor Ade Obayemi, who is one of the top Yoruba historians, and of course, Oba himself. In the disputes between Oni of Ife and Ulubo of Ugbo land, Ife people claim that Moremi is their heroine. Olubo said she's a traitor, that she was the one who revealed the secret that led them to get away, and that Ndi Igbo were in Ile-Ife before the Yorubas arrived. Oni said, no, Ndi Igbo, IGPO, were there before Yorubas arrived, before Oduduwa arrived. In public, in print, in the newspapers. So what is the difference between Ugbo and Igbo? That's for another discussion, another time.
Moremi Ajasoro ọmọ mú mi mọ̀mọ́ gbá o. Moremi Ajasoro. Ẹ gbà mí ẹ rà mí kalẹ̀ ọmọ ìran mi. Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ wo fídíò yẹn, conference ni o. Kò ń ṣe bójúbójú o. Kò ń ṣe nǹkan tí wọ́n hide o. Kò ń ṣe nǹkan tí wọ́n kóra wọn jọ pé ẹ má jẹ́ kẹ́nìbọ̀dì gbọ́ o. Open wọn. Kàn imagine bí àwọn èèyàn ṣe máa lọ ṣalalu. Play like play. Ìran Yorùbá dẹ̀ ń parẹ́ lọ. Ó dẹ̀ parẹ́ lọ. Mo sọ fún yín, mo ní wọ́n máa padà fi Yorùbá land, Yorùbá race, wọ́n á fi wá ṣe ènìforí sí orí gbogbo ẹ̀yà tó kù nù Nàìjíríà ni. Kò ní sí nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́. Ilẹ̀ wa, àwọn náà máa wá kọjú ìjà síra wọn. Bóyá Igbo àti àwọn Northerners, wọ́n á bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bára wọn jà láti gba ilẹ̀ tó bá win, àwa gba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Torí mo rí nírí wípé ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìran Yorùbá tó wà ńlé, ilẹ̀ yẹn ò jọ yín lójú, ẹ ríro. Tẹ́ bá wẹnu lẹ̀ tẹ́ wẹnu kọ́. Ẹ rí wípé gbogbo ẹ̀yà tó wà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ní Nàìjíríà pátápátá, everybody ló wà extraordinary active ní àsìkò tá wà yìí. Oníkálùkù ń jà fún ìran ẹ̀, defend the culture, tribe, everything. Yorùbá nìkan ni mo sùn tó hàn, ni mo rí tó sùn tó hànrun. wọ́n ti èmira wọ́n ti èrírò bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wípé wọ́n ti bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé àwọn kan ti wá sọ fún yín wípé tó bá ti gba ilẹ̀ o tí kan bá ti bàjẹ́ tán o ẹyọ wọ́n ti bá yín pèsè ibòmíì síbí kan tó wà ókè o ìfọkàn nǹkan tó fi Yorùbá lọ́kàn balẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé kò sí gàgà tó lè ṣẹlẹ̀ I don't know kí ni nǹkan tí Yorùbá gbójúlé tẹ̀ ṣe bí ọlọ́ba gan-an lójú ayé yín. Is it not a shameful thing that Igbo people are coming out? The high chief of the Igbo are coming out to tell us that, oh, Oonirisa told them that they are the founder of Ile-Ife. Bóyá ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ò yé jẹ́ kí n ṣàlàyé díẹ̀ sí kó yé dáadáa. Igbo claim Ondo. Wọ́n sọ pé àwọn làwọn lèkìtì, Ọ̀ṣun, Ògùn, Ọ̀yọ́. Wọ́n fẹ́ gba Lagos, wọ́n fìbò. Kò wá mọ̀, kò wá gbọ́ torí ọ̀rọ̀ ń yé yín bọ̀rọ̀. Kí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn kó lè yí ẹ kí n bẹ wú láti dì kó lè mọ̀ wípé àtijọ́ ta ti pariwo the kind of evil plan that the Igbo has against Yoruba. It's a shameful thing that it is the same Yoruba people that will be coming to attack people like me. But you that you are attacking me or people like me that we hate Igbos, listen to this video by yourself and come and tell me after what you feel like. Maybe you'll be proud of that that video. Now, because you don't know your worth. Yes. O wá sọ̀rọ̀ di rádaràda torí bẹ́ẹ̀ o fẹ́ wọn. Àbò ní wọn lọ́rẹ̀ẹ́. O wá bìkítà ọjọ́ ọ̀la àwọn ọmọ títí ẹ. O wá torí àtijẹ títí àtijẹ èèyàn tèní. O fẹ́ sọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá di rádaràda. Ṣèmọ́ ní gbogbo ọmọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá pátápátá, gbogbo ọmọ káàárọ̀ òjíire. Wọ́n ní Ilé-Ifẹ̀ ní Ojúgbé ti mọ́ wá tí gbogbo wa ti ṣẹ̀ wá. Àbí? Igbo wa claim every other state ilẹ̀ Yorùbá o. Orísun ibi tán láti jọ wá tá ti jí wá yẹn. Ibẹ̀ gangan ni wọ́n claim. Wọ́n sì buttress ẹ̀. Wọ́n ní bàbá Ọọ̀ni, wọ́n olórí ọba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Wọ́n láwọn fúnra lára wọn ni wọ́n pa ìtàn wípé àwọn Igbo àwọn ni wọ́n tẹ Ilé-Ifẹ̀ dó. Ẹ wá tún gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ burúkú lẹ́nu ẹyẹ wọn. Wọ́n tún wá pa ìtàn síwájú wípé ìjà ń ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin Oonirisa fáfá wọ́n ń du olórí ọba Ugbo Obat oil ní Ugbo land. Ó ń sọ fún wa ní Ondo state wípé àwọn ní wọ́n kọ́kọ́ dé Ilé-Ifẹ̀ àwọn ló yẹ kán máa jẹ olórí ọba. Ọmọ Igbo tún pa ìtàn yẹn débi wípé láàrin Obat oil àti Oonirisa ìfáǹfà olórí ìjà ó wà láàrin wọn. Ó tún wá jẹ́ kó yé ìwọ àtèmi fọ́dà wípé kí ni ìyàtọ̀ láàrin Ugbo àti Igbo. Di bí mo ṣe ń ṣe àlàyé ìjẹ́ mo wípé gbogbo bí ọmọ Yorùbá bá ṣe ní professor tó lọ ṣalalu ta ní àwọn àgbààgbà both home and abroad dèní eléni àtọba àti baálé àti joyè àti student àmà rí anybody kó organize conference bí ti wọn báyìí kí wọ́n tako ẹ̀. Bàbá Ọọ̀ni ẹ fẹ́ sọ wípé ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ nínú fídíò yìí máa ṣí ẹ̀ fún gbogbo àwọn tó súnmọ́ yín ní gímú bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọ́n máa ṣí ẹ̀ dọ́dọ̀ yín tẹ́ máa rí. Ṣé rí èmi ti wá ní trace inú kéèsì yìí o máa jókòó tí màtá yín bàbá Ọọ̀ni máa fà yín lójoojúmọ́ ní gbogbo ìgbà títí tí media personnel kí ni yín tó fi máa bọ́ síta bẹ́yìn lẹ́ máa issue ọ̀rọ̀ jáde ká tó sọná sí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá wípé nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ bẹ́yìn pẹ́yìn lẹ sọ tẹ́pa ìtàn yẹn ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ àìjẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Tá bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ tán tá bá rí ẹ̀yin ọmọ Ifẹ̀ àbẹ́yìn tẹ́ nífẹ̀ẹ́ bàbá Oonirisa tí ẹ bá lọ pé wọ́n ní sí kí wọ́n do the needful ní àsìkò tó yẹ wọ́n yìí. Tá bá wá rí kankan nínú yín tó bá wá dìde tó ní o fẹ́ wá attack nígbà tẹ́mi bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ ti tèmi wàláì family ẹ gbogbo story life family ẹ látòkèdè sálẹ̀ wá gbọ́ online gbogbo àgbáyé á mọ irú ìṣẹ̀dá tí gbogbo yín jẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ibi ló pọ̀ jù láàrin ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá alábòsí àtọ̀tẹ̀ òun ló pọ̀ jù láàrin wa. Ṣebí ẹ̀rí ìtàn nítorí ambition bàbá Tinubu àbí kò sí wàhálà. Ẹ wá wò àwọn ọmọ Igbo ti gbé bàbá Tinubu ní condition lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Nnamdi Kanu. Òun ló ń gbọ́ yẹn ọbí yín bàbá Oonirisa àti bàbá Tinubu will not wọn ò ní dúró lórí kankan ju anything tó bá máa lọ sí torí àǹfààní tara wọn. Bàbá Ọọ̀ni náà tó dẹ̀ pakuru mọ́ tó ń jó dáadáa fún bàbá Tinubu ṣé kò ṣe torí àǹfààní ara yín náà ni torí àǹfààní ara yín ni ṣé àǹfààní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá àbí ọmọ Yorùbá lẹ̀ ń jà tẹ́ ń lọ tẹ́ ń bọ̀ bí ilẹ̀kẹ̀dí torí àǹfààní ara yín torí the last time I check ẹ̀yin lẹ máa ń lọ tẹ́ máa ń bọ̀ tẹ́ máa ń lọ káàkiri ẹ̀yin lẹ ń ṣí gbogbo oríṣiríṣi nǹkan tẹ́ ń build gbogbo ilẹ̀ tẹ́ ń build company tẹ́ ń build mansion tẹ́ ń build school tẹ́ ń build university tẹ́ ń ra gbogbo ẹ̀ So you're not doing anything because of us, because our impact in ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá àti nínú ayé wa bàbá ọ̀ nínú tí ń bí mi. The President General All Igbo Youth Forum, led by Chief Chinedum Obilo, has called on President Bola Tinubu to release the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, from detention if he wants to pull massive vote from Southeast Zone in 2027. What's it go? Condition break bonu epa double wahala for daddy body, adiona for daddy body, double wahala for daddy body, daddy body, daddy body. Yeah. Bàbá Tinubu, ibi tẹ́ bá ìrìnàjò ayé yín dé lélẹ́yìí, ẹ wo bí tí desperation mú yín dé. Àwọn ọmọ Igbo wá ń gbé yín ní condition burúkú wípé tẹ́ bá fẹ́ lose Lagos state vote bí ti last 2 years ago. Wọ́n ní condition yẹn in 2 months time wọ́n fún yín tí ẹ bá tó kẹ́ má release Nnamdi Kanu. Obilo, who spoke during the executive meeting of the forum in Umuahia, the Abia state capital, on Tuesday, said if the federal government fails to heed to their call, the group will mobilize more than 1 million youths to take stand concerning the forthcoming general election within the next 2 months. One in the next 2 months, tí bàbá Tinubu, federal government, Tinubu, tí ó bá release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, àwọn máa mobilize 1 million youth tó máa tẹ̀pa fún yín, wọn ò ní gbóhùn yín nínú ìbò rárá tó jẹ́ sí wípé ìbò kọ̀ọ̀kan ò ní dìbò fún yín. Tẹ́ bá rò wípé torí àwọn máàsì wọn, àwọn olórí wọn ò hánẹsẹ̀ tẹ́ lọ́mbà, ṣé àwọn ẹ rò wípé àwọn ọmọ Ìgbò dàbí ọmọ Yorùbá tó jẹ́ wípé máa kówó fáwọn ọba, táwọn ọba máa kówó fáwọn ìjòyè, tán máa yajú lékiri, tán máa dẹ́rù bá àwọn ìyá, táwọn ìyá máa sá sẹ́yìn. Àwọn ọmọ Ìgbò ọ̀rọ̀ kún gan, wọn gbọ́ payá, wọn ti gáṣàkẹ́ wọn létí lọ. 1 billion of ọ̀hánìzè ndí Ìgbò kò lè control ọmọ youth Ìgbò. Ohun tí àwọn youth yẹn lẹ nídìí, ẹ bá lọ kówó fún ọ̀hánìzè kọ́ gbádélé yín lórí, kọ́ sọ yín di igwe alálàlá kò kàn wọ́n. Ohun tí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe náà fẹ́ ṣe yìí. Wọ́n láwọn máa mobilize 1 million youth against you in the next 2 months. Tí ẹ bá release Nnamdi Kanu, ojú yín máa bó ní north àti nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Remember, wọ́n kó àwọn ọmọ Ìgbò burúkú wọnú Lagos state àti the rest of Yorùbá land. Lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, mo ní ìbò yín tó ń bọ̀ yìí, ó máa fa kíkì. Yorùbá, ojú wájà. The youth leader wondered the reason behind the continuous detention of Kanu when other freedom fighters like Sunday Igbo had regained their freedom. He berated politicians of Southeast extraction for their alleged lack of interest in Kanu's release from detention. You see? Ọ̀rọ̀ ṣe Sunday Igbo òun ló máa pa yín. Every now and then, Igbo people, when they want to seek for Nnamdi Kanu's release, they must mention about Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igbo. Sit down within yourself, the Biafrans and the Igbo. Sit down within yourself and face yourself once and for all and tell yourself the truth. Are you telling us the kind of what Nnamdi Kanu contributed towards the Nigeria government, that they exchange what we know that I won't be able to say on this video? Is it the same thing that Chief Sunday Igbo did like Kanu? No. It is true that Chief Sunday Igbo was one of our leaders in Yoruba Nation movement. You understand? But throughout till this very moment, nobody can come out and tell us with his or our full chest that this is a place that Chief Sunday Igbo attacked their family or attacked their businesses or attacked anybody or government himself. It was the government that attacked him and killed some of his family, destroyed his property, and in one case, till date, federal government of Nigeria has not released Chief Sunday Igbo his accounts, his business, and his freedom. So I really don't know where the Igbo people are coming from. Every now you are calling for Nnamdi Kanu's freedom. You must mention Chief Sunday Igbo. Yeah, Igbo is working freely. Did you see Igbo in Lagos State or in Nigeria or in Yoruba land working freely? No. Chief Igbo is here in Germany with his family. Let him breathe. Go and look for solution for your brother. Leave Igbo alone. Igbo is not your problem. Àti wípé freedom wo gan-an pariwo pé wọ́n fún Igbo. Èèyàn tó fún ní freedom kò lè gbé nílùú ẹ̀. Èèyàn tó fún ní freedom kò lè rìn bó ṣe wù nínú Nàìjíríà. Èèyàn tó fún ní freedom wà nínú Germany lọ́dọ̀ àwọn ìyá lọ́dọ̀ tó wà pẹ̀lú family ẹ̀, ìyàwó àtàwọn ọmọ tó rọra jókòó ara ẹ̀ jẹ́ síbẹ̀. And every given opportunity you'll be shouting, Igbo is roaming the street. Igbo is roaming the street. Share the same offense ni Chief Igbo committed with Nnamdi Kanu. Gbogbo wa la mọ̀ history Nnamdi Kanu, the Biafra leader. The way he exchanged tatata with Nigeria government, destroy businesses, buying many of Igbo people. What happened to the sit at home every day? Do you know how many innocent souls that find their life, that lost their life during this sit at home of a thing? From your brother in Finland. How many days or how many times did you see any Yoruba nation saying nobody should move out, or you cannot go to your business, daily businesses, or we have to attack you, or you must do this, you must do that by fire, by thunder? We did rally. Peaceful one, because we use our sense. Igbo is not the architect of Kanu's problem. Do you understand? So, ẹ continue láti máa gbé Tinubu ní condition nípa Kanu, but free Igbo, leave Igbo alone. Federal government of Nigeria will not be attacking Igbo back to back, looking for him to be arrested, freeze his account, take his freedom away from him, and you still be hunting him. No. Let Igbo remain where they are. Mind your business. Leave Yoruba alone. Leave us alone. Why must Kanu's case different? Are the Igbo second-class citizens of this country? Are we not part of this country? That is still not of our problem. It's not Igbo's problem. We want the federal government to hear directly from the youth of the Igbo land that we are not happy that our brother is still in detention up till now. That is very good. He have noticed that politicians, the governor, some of the senators, and some reps members are part of the reason why our brother is still there. So why are you now calling on Chief Igbo? We want to use this opportunity to tell Mr. President that what happened in the last election when the Igbo didn't vote the ruling APC was because of the detention of our brother. We are telling him that if he doesn't release our brother from detention in 2 months' time, we will mobilize more than 1 million youth to take a stand and negotiate with anybody or group that will release him for us if they come to power. Àwọn ọmọ Igbo youth sìn yàtọ̀ fún ọ̀hání ṣe ń di Ìgbò wọn rí tí wọ́n rò ṣé mọ̀ wípé àwọn àgbààgbà wọn ní tiwọn àwọn youth wọn ní youth forum tó dẹ̀ ní solid tó strong kò dàbí Yorùbá o ṣáwa ní youth forum tó solid ọ̀tẹ̀ àtàbùsẹ́ ò ní jẹ́. Àwọn ni wọ́n threaten bàbá Tinubu nísìnyí wípé tí ó bá kọ̀ in the next 2 months ṣé mọ̀ wípé Tinubu dẹ̀ ti ń sọ pé òun fẹ́ negotiate pẹ̀lú òun àtàwọn ọ̀hánì ṣe pé òun fẹ́ release Nnamdi Kanu. Àwọn youth wọn tún ti wá bọ́ síta sí wọ́n wọ̀n wọn pé in the next 2 months tí Tinubu ò bá release Nnamdi Kanu kó gbàgbé 2027. More than 1 million youth ìdí tí wọ́n ṣe dìbò fún APC last one tó fi lose even Lagos State territory yín ojú yín bó bàbá Tinubu wọ́n ní nítorí fi Nnamdi Kanu sílẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n come to take of it, let us ask ourselves the truth question and face the reality. Let us call a spade and then the consequences. Yes. Ṣé bàbá Tinubu ló arrest Nnamdi Kanu? President Buhari, the last head of state, former head of state, President Buhari, was the one that arrested Nnamdi Kanu. His government arrested him, arrested Chief Sunday Igbo. Until date, Tinubu has not released Chief Igbo's freedom and everything pertaining to him. So if you want to bá fẹ́ gbé bàbá Tinubu ní condition, go ahead and do it. If you like, vote for APC. If you like, don't vote for APC. Kò sí èrè kankan tí Yorùbá jẹ nínú APC. Kí wá ní wèrè, kí ló kan àwa ńbẹ̀? Kí ló kan àwa ńbẹ̀? Bọ̀ ẹ wá bàbá Tinubu. Ṣé wá rí lè ti máa fi round ẹ̀ up fún yín? Nísìn tá ti ń gbọ́ fìrìfìrì pé ti fẹ́ negotiate torí ìbò àwọn ọmọ Yíbò ẹ need ẹ̀ badly. Ìdí ni wípé àwọn Nọ́dẹ́nà àwọn Àtíkù El-Rufai gbogbo wọn Babangida wọ́n ti fa Òbí má bẹ́ báyìí sìn. Òbí ẹ̀dẹ̀mọ́ ipò ń lóyún àwọn ọmọ Yíbò tọ́tò sí lẹ́yìn. Ìbò Obi àwọn ọmọ Igbo àti Northerner ó skyrocket Ogunde. Bàbá Tinubu ẹ̀yin náà ti rí wípé ti ń lùsì díẹ̀díẹ̀ nìyẹn àbí? Kò sí wàhálà. Ẹ ti wá rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn bó ṣe ń lọ. Òun lẹ́yìn náà lè ṣe wá wò wípé òkè ẹ fẹ́ negotiate pẹ̀lú àwọn Ohanaeze láti release Nnamdi Kanu láti lè gba ìbò àwọn ọmọ Igbo. At least bí ẹ bá gba gbogbo ẹ gba major part of it. Àbí ẹ lè win against the Northerner because àwọn Northerner kàkà kílẹ̀ kó náà fẹ́ fi bá yín ṣe ilẹ̀ àṣà. Ṣebí lórí géèmù náà ni gbogbo ẹ̀. So you see, none of them have any Nigerian citizen or Nigeria as a country interest in their own heart. Gbogbo bó ti ń jupá lọ ju sẹ̀sọ̀ touch everything. It's about them. It's about their political party. It's about their life, not about us. Let us wake up. Bàbá Tinubu, ibi tẹ́ ẹ bá dẹ̀ bá yé ọ̀hún jẹ́ dé, àyè á dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ìbá ọ̀hún jẹ́. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ wá ní release Nnamdi Kanu. Kẹ́ ẹ wá ìfi Sunday Igboho sílẹ̀. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń bá bàbá Tinubu ṣe. Ẹ lọ bá wa pè wọ́n níbi tó ti ń gbọ́ ká sọ fún wọn o. Ìjọ tó bá ti rí tá à ń gbọ́ náà láì wípé wọ́n release Nnamdi Kanu báyìí from detention. Ká máa gbọ́ pé ṣí Sunday Igboho has already ẹ ti free ṣí Sunday Igboho náà. Ipe Chief Igboho náà ti ní freedom wọn o. Is free as bird as anything now. Bó ṣe máa jẹ́ nìyẹn o. Because free Nnamdi Kanu ohun tí Yíbò àṣẹ ló máa ṣe. Wọ́n like yín, wọ́n like àwa Yorùbá. Kàkà kí wọ́n á fi support Yorùbá. Even kẹ́ free Nnamdi Kanu, they will rather support the Northerner. You don't know anything. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ máa wo géèmù bó ṣe ń lọ náà. Orúkọ tèmi ò yí padà. Yèyé Darako Owó ni mò ń jẹ́. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń bá mi support program. Ẹ ṣé gan ni o. Thank you for supporting my brand. Mi ò lè dá ṣe. Má gbàgbé láti bá mi subscribe sórí YouTube channel. Má sì gbàgbé at the same time láti bá mi ṣe kí ni? Láti bá mi pé ètò yìí, bá mi pé kó dọ̀dọ̀ bàbá ọ̀nà àti gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá kàkàkàkà tó mọ̀. Àsìkò àpérò ilẹ̀ Yorùbá mo ló ti tó. Ire o, orúkọ tèmi ò yí padà. Yèyé Darako Owó ni mò ń jẹ́.